In the annals of American organized crime, few names instill as much fear and fascination as Albert Anastasia. With a ruthlessness that knew no bounds, Anastasia established himself as one of the most notorious mob bosses of the 20th century. This video delves into the life and notorious reputation of Albert Anastasia, shedding light on the legacy he left behind and the fear he instilled in both his allies and enemies. Rise to power. Born in Italy in 1902, Anastasia immigrated to the United States in his late teens, paving the way for a life of crime and power. He quickly climbed the ranks of organized crime through his involvement in bootlegging, gambling, and various other illicit activities during the Prohibition era. Anastasia's ruthless nature and ambition set him apart from his peers, attracting the attention of influential mob figures. Murder, Incorporated. One of the most integral chapters of Albert Anastasia's notorious reputation was his role in Murder, Incorporated. During the 1930s and 1940s, Anastasia became a key figure in this ruthless criminal organization, responsible for carrying out contract killings on behalf of the Italian and Jewish-American mafia. Under Anastasia's leadership, Murder, Inc. solidified its stature as the feared arm of organized crime, leaving a trail of bloodshed and terror in its wake. Feared and respected. Anastasia's reputation as a mob boss was built on a foundation of ruthlessness and an unwavering commitment to maintaining control. Known for his ice-cold demeanor and calculated decision-making, Anastasia demanded respect and obedience from both his subordinates and rivals. Crossing paths with him often proved fatal for those unfortunate enough to incur his wrath. Establishing the Gambino crime family. In the 1950s, Anastasia became the head of the infamous Gambino crime family, one of the most powerful and enduring mafia organizations in American history. Under his leadership, the family expanded its activities, with interests ranging from illegal gambling to labor racketeering and drug trafficking. Anastasia's ability to seamlessly merge his criminal enterprises with legitimate businesses added to his notoriety and made him a formidable force. The Anastasia killings. While Anastasia was known for ordering countless executions during his criminal career, his notoriety reached new heights due to the brutal and public nature of his alleged killings. Nicknamed the Lord High Executioner, Anastasia orchestrated a string of high-profile murders to maintain control, eliminate potential threats, and assert his dominance. These acts of violence served as a chilling reminder of his power and reinforced his fearsome reputation. Legacy and cultural influence. Albert Anastasia's notorious reputation continues to captivate popular culture. His life has been portrayed in various movies, television shows, and documentaries, immortalizing the legacy of this infamous mob boss. The aura of fear surrounding Anastasia's name remains a testament to his indelible impact on American organized crime. Conclusion. Albert Anastasia's notorious reputation as a merciless mob boss remains firmly entrenched in the annals of criminal history. Through his involvement in Murder, Inc., his establishment of the Gambino crime family, and his ruthless acts of violence, Anastasia earned a fearsome reputation that continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide. His notoriety serves as a haunting reminder of the dark underbelly of organized crime and the multifaceted nature of human ambition, power, and infamy.